Hello students, in this video let us solve one more practice problem on exact differential equations. Let us solve 2xy plus y minus tan y dx plus x square minus x tan square y plus secant square y dy is equal to 0. Let us call the given differential equation as equation 1. Now let us compare equation 1 with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So comparing equation 1 with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, we have m is equal to, what is m? 2xy plus y minus tan y, isn't it? 2xy plus y minus tan y, and n is equal to x square minus x tan square y plus secant square y. Now let us differentiate m with respect to y and n with respect to x. That is, the partial derivative of m with respect to y, dou my dou y is equal to derivative of this one, right? So because we are differentiating with respect to y, we treat x as constant. So derivative of 2xy with respect to y is 2x plus derivative of y with respect to y is 1 minus derivative of tan y is secant square y, right? Since what is the formula that we have used? Derivative of d by dx of, or is d by dy of tan y, because it is y not x, is equal to secant square y. Now dou n by dou x. So y, because we are differentiating with respect to x, y is treated as constant. So derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. Derivative of x tan square y, it is minus. Derivative of x is 1, right? So tan square y is constant. So 1 into tan square y. Derivative of secant square y with respect to x is 0. So plus 0. So this is 2x minus, we know secant square y can be, tan square y can be written as secant square y minus 1, right? Since secant square y minus tan square y is equal to 1, right? So from this we have tan square y is secant square y minus 1. So this is nothing but 2x minus secant square y plus 1, or we can write it as 2x plus 1 minus secant square y. So what we have? We have dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x same, right? That means the given differential equation 1 is an exact differential equation, right? Therefore dou m by dou x is equal to, dou n by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. This implies equation 1 is an exact differential equation. Now since the given equation 1 is an exact differential equation, the general solution is given by, therefore the general solution general solution is integral m dx, where y is constant, plus integral n dy, where n contains only those terms not containing x. So is equal to c. What is c? Is a constant of integration, right? Where c is a or is an arbitrary constant, we can say is an arbitrary so this implies integral m is 2xy plus y minus tan y dx, y constant, plus integral, so we have to write n so that it contains only y terms and not x terms. So the first term x square is not independent of x, the second term x tan square y is not independent of x, only this third term secant square y is independent of x. So we write only secant square y dy is equal to c. So this implies integral of this term plus this term minus this term, integral of this term, right? So because we are treating y as constant, so we write y into 2x dx plus integral y is written outside the integral 1 dx minus tan y integral dx or 1 dx plus integral of secant square y is tan y is equal to c. So we have this, right? So this implies what? 2y integral of x dx is this into x square by 2 plus y into integral of 1 dx is x minus tan y into integral of 1 dx is x, and this is tan y is equal to c. So this implies, what is the formula that we have used? Since integral of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, isn't it? That's why integral of, because x power is 1 here, x to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2 by 1 plus 1 is 2. So x square by 2 integral of x, and derivative of x is 1 with respect to, so integral of 1 dx is x. This implies 2 gets cancelled. So this is x square y plus xy minus x tan y plus tan y is equal to c. So this implies, so from the first two terms we can take xy common. So what remains here? X and plus 1 remains here, and from here we take minus tan y common, or plus tan y if you want to take, plus tan y common. So minus x plus 1 is equal to c. So this implies xy into x plus 1 plus tan y in 1 minus x is equal to c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation 1.